Welcome to the Sell Smarter podcast. Every week, we give you 5 big insights and strategies so you can sell smarter. Sell Smarter is brought to you every week by the sales and marketing research experts at salesfuel.com. Be prepared to be brilliant with Sales Fuel. In this week's show, we're diving into the world of sales and marketing with a splash of wit and wisdom. First up, we're uncovering the best prospecting tactics that today's sellers absolutely need in their toolkit. Then, we'll chat about mastering the art of sales emails, because who doesn't want to write emails that actually get replies? For our marketing mavens, we're exploring how CPG brands are going local as consumer preferences shift. Plus, we'll recap the top takeaways from our recent chat with the fabulous Tracy Lalonde. And for all you team leaders and execs, we're talking about hiring assessment tools to find the cybersecurity sales talent of your dreams. So grab your headphones and let's get started. Here's this week's first strategy, the art of prospecting, where first impressions are everything. Did you know that according to a RAIN group study, top performers secure meetings with nearly half of their target contacts? That's right. So what's the secret sauce? First, schedule regular prospecting time. Pick a time when you're energized and your prospects are most likely to be reachable. Set goals and mini objectives to keep that motivation high. Second, leverage your connections. Dig into your network and lean on those relationships where trust and credibility already exist. And finally, choose your buyer's favorite channel. Whether it's social media, texting, or good old-fashioned emails, meet them where they are. Remember, over 70% of buyers want to hear from sellers early in the buying cycle, so don't be shy. Embrace these tactics and watch your prospecting game soar. Read more about this on our blog at salesfuel.com/blog. Next up, we're talking about irresistible sales emails. Did you know that the average open rate for sales emails is just 36%? That's according to business.com. So, how do we get those numbers up? First, let's talk about the power of a killer subject line. A whopping 47% of people decide to open an email based on the subject line alone. So, make it personal. Use the recipient's name or mention a mutual connection to grab their attention. Now, onto the body of the email. Keep it short and sweet, my friend. Emails with subject lines of just 3 to 4 words have a 48% response rate, according to Boomerang. And when it comes to content, focus on one clear idea. Don't overwhelm your reader with too much info. Guide them towards a follow-up instead. Lastly, when you're responding to a trigger event, act fast. Show your attentiveness and establish urgency by reaching out soon after the event. Make your email feel valid by referencing the event and focusing on the prospect's needs, not just your product. Remember, with a little personalization and a lot of focus, your sales emails can truly shine. Download the free Sales Fuel mobile app today to get new sales tips and customer insights like this every day.
In B2B sales, credibility is everything. 71% of buyers research you online before even engaging. What does your digital presence say about you? With Sales Cred, you get the digital cred check to assess and improve your online image, AI-powered insights to stay top of mind with prospects, and real-time business intelligence to prep for meetings in seconds. Build trust, win more deals. Get a demo and 2 free profiles at salescred.com today. That's salescred.com.
If you're into marketing, let's go over the latest buzz in consumer packaged goods, or CPG marketing. So, here's the scoop. Consumers are tightening their belts, with over 50% cutting back on grocery spending, according to Big Chalk. They're becoming what we call trade-off consumers, opting for store brands or even switching from coffee to tea. It's all about those savvy savings, right? Now, here's where it gets interesting for you. CPG companies are shaking things up by boosting their retail media spend, with 62% planning to do so by the end of 2025. And social media isn't far behind, with nearly 60% of companies upping their game there too. But here's the twist. Search marketing is taking a backseat, with only 27% of marketers planning to increase their investment. Quite the plot twist, huh? And let's not forget about the power of local TV and print. A solid 10% of CPG companies are planning to invest more in these areas, potentially using co-op advertising funds. So, if you're thinking about where to focus your efforts, local media might just be your golden ticket. Remember, staying ahead means adapting to these shifts and seizing the opportunities they bring. You've got this. Want more marketing research and insights about your target customer? Check out admall.com. It's the #1 business intelligence tool for media agencies in the US. The next strategy comes from our Manage Smarter podcast with hosts Audrey Strong and Celie Smith. In this episode, they discuss trust with Tracy Lalonde, a seasoned expert in credibility and professional development. So, let's chat about the top takeaways, shall we? First up, trust is not just a warm, fuzzy feeling, it's a physiological phenomenon. When you extend trust, it releases oxytocin in the brain, creating a bonding effect. So, start small and build that trust bridge. Next, Tracy highlights the importance of transparency. Whether you're a manager or a team member, being open about your intentions and decisions can prevent misunderstandings and build stronger relationships. Remember, people prefer bad news over surprises. And finally, if trust is broken, both parties have a role in repairing it. Acknowledge the impact, offer solutions, and keep communication open. It's all about empathy and understanding. So, go ahead and sprinkle a little trust in your day-to-day interactions and watch your relationships flourish. Hear more at managesmarter.com or wherever you get your podcasts.
You need sales to make your business grow, but how can you do that if you hire a bad salesperson? Get to know TeamTrait.com. TeamTrait is a behavioral assessment tool that helps you hire top-performing sales talent. It reveals over 150 professional mindset traits like resilience, problem-solving skills, and customer empathy. Our forfeit simulator can help predict who will thrive in your unique sales environment, whether it's healthcare, logistics, or financial services. Stop guessing and start winning. Ask your HR or hiring manager to visit TeamTrait.com today for a demo and 2 free profiles.
Our final strategy is for all the future leaders, sales managers, and top executives. Let's focus on the unique demands of cybersecurity sales. First up, staying ahead of continuous threats is crucial. Cybersecurity pros need to be on their toes, constantly monitoring new threats and understanding how their solutions can protect businesses. It's like being a digital superhero, always ready to save the day. Next, let's talk about the decision-making maze. In cybersecurity sales, you're not just convincing one person. Nope, you're dealing with a whole team, including tech-savvy IT folks. So, brush up on your tech talk and be ready to showcase the benefits of your solution in a way that resonates with everyone. Lastly, government regulations are no joke. With laws about customer data changing regularly, staying informed is key. Top sales reps are not only aware of these updates, but also use them to guide prospects in choosing the right system. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, remember, staying informed, communicating effectively, and understanding your audience are your best allies in the cybersecurity sales world. Keep pushing forward and you'll be making waves in no time. That's it for this episode of the Sell Smarter podcast from Sales Fuel. Listen next week for 5 more insights and strategies for sales leaders. Sell Smarter is produced by Tyler Welsh and edited by Kathy Crosett. The show is written by Celie Smith, Jessica Helinsky, Rachel Cagle, Darby Dahl, and Tim Londergan, and I'm your host, Allison Gray. Sales Fuel and Sell Smarter are registered trademarks of Sales Fuel Incorporated. Copyright 2025, all rights reserved.